Mama G. Now what for you? Exactly. That your husband is Nana Mumu. That's having nothing.
Oh my God. You stand to say the so much. Oh my God, Sister Bucko. My 2 days weekend was the bomb. I had fun. And then I think I got that contract. Sister, you're not happy for me. I got the contract. Sister, I'm talking to you now. I got the contract.
You got contract?
Yes,
what?
sister, I got the contract, the singing contract.
Amaka, I beg, I'm watching movie, don't this.
Hey, Steve, what's up? I had fun with you. It was a good weekend. I don't even regret any day. Are you serious? They liked my CD. Oh my God, I am going places. Is it the CD I sang the love?
Amaka, shut up now.
Steve, let me call you back. So what did I do to you now? Are you not tired of this drama every time?
You went Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today is Monday, you come back. I'm watching my movie. You did not even give me. So allow me finish my movie. What is it? Must you sit there before you talk?
Sister, understand now. Don't you even miss me? Sister, I missed you. They even gave me a new bag. Louis Vuitton.
New bag. That's all you are worth, though. That is all that you are worth.
Sister, don't insult me. Don't insult. How will I be worth a bag? I am worth millions. I'm making money. I'm making the cheddar.
Yeah. Amaka, please. I'm sorry for disturbing you. If you want to talk, go to the room.
Sister, don't even start. Are you not tired of drama in this house? I'm coming to tell you.
You are the one bringing the drama, Amaka. You are the one bringing the drama.
Glory.
I'm watching my movie. You come and
you should be happy.
Glory.
You should be happy with me. But then you just want to bring me down. Jealous. Since Mama and Papa died, you just abandoned me. I'm trying to fend for my living. You're not even happy for me.
Amaka, don't disturb me. I'm watching
things are done.
I'm happy for you. Go to the room. Amaka, I'm watching my movie.
Sister, stop. You're getting on my nerves. Stop. This house is this for both of us. If I'm on the phone in the parlor, you got to manage. If you don't like it, you go inside. Because
why must you be on the phone?
Because
why must you be in here? Why can you not go to the room?
Hey,
you just want to come and disturb me. So when I say something, they'll say that Amara is looking for trouble. Everything they'll say Amara is looking for trouble. I want to watch my movie. You will not let me. By the time I start talking, they'll say Amara is talking. Amara is palaver. Amara is this. Amara is that.
This parlor